Assalamualaikum. My name is Anas Hakimi Benzo Sukri. My matrix number is 2025867244.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hanim Rizal bin Muhammad Rosli. My matrix number is 2025205286.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shazwan Haikal bin Muhammad Shauri. My matrix number is 2025291108.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izul Hadi bin Abdul Razak and my matrix number is 20258769194.
Part A, Question 1. Dr. Lina, a 30 years old dentist working at City Health Clinics, plans to open her own dental center within the next 8 years. To achieve this goal, she is considering two investment options as outlined below. Principal for Bank X and Bank Y is 160,000. Interest for Bank X is 6.2% compound monthly. For Bank Y, interest is 6.335% compound semi-annually. For each scheme, calculate how much money Dr. Lina will have in her investment account after 8 years. The formula is S equal P1 plus K divided M to the power of MT. Bank X, P equal 160,000, K equal 0.062, M equal 12, T equal 8. S equal 160,000, 1 plus 0.062 divided 12 to the power of 12 multiply 8. S equal RM 262,407.04. Bank Y, P equal 160,000, K equal 0.0635, M equal 2, T equal 8. S equal 160,000, 1 plus 0.0635 divided 2 to the power of 2 multiply 8. S equal RM 263,822.37. Based on your calculation, which bank should Dr. Lina choose? Justify your answer. Bank Y because higher amount.
Part A, Question 2. A. Mr. Hakim invested 18,000 ringgit in a savings account for 10 years. The interest rate offered was 4.8% compounded quarterly for the first 6 years and 5.2% compounded monthly for the remaining 4 years. Calculate the future value of Mr. Hakim's investments at the end of the 10-year period. We are going to use the compound interest formula for the first 6 years, 18,000 times 1 plus 0.048 divided by 4 to the power of 24. Then the answer is 23,966.51 cents. Then we are going to use that as the P for the next 4 years, which is 23,966.51 cents times 1 plus 0.052 divided by 12 to the power of 48. Then the answer is 29,494.63 cents. Then for question B, Aiman deposited 12,500 ringgit into a savings account earning an interest rate of 4% compounded quarterly. After some time, the account has grown to 16,500 ringgit. Determine the number of years Aiman's money was invested. Then we are going to use the same formula. Then 16,500 equals to 12,500 times 1 plus 0.04 divided by 4 to the power of 40. Then we rearrange the formula to 1 plus 0.04 divided by 4 to the power of 40 equals to 16,500 divided by 12,500. Then the answer for that is 1.01 to the power of 4t equals to 1.32. Then ln 1.01 to the power of 4t equals to ln 1.32. Then 4t ln 1.01 equals to ln 1.32. Then t equals to ln 1.32 divided by 4 ln 1.01. Then the final answer is 7 years.
Maya deposits 800 every 3 months into a saving plan for 10 years. The plan pays an interest rate of 4.8% compounded quarterly. Calculate the future value of Maya's investment at the end of 10-year period. So we are going to use the future value formula, which is S equal to 800 in a bracket 1 plus 0.048 divided by 4, power of 4 times 10 minus 1 divided 0.048 divide 4, close bracket, and the answer is 40,764 ringgit and 24 cents. Question B. Farid took a loan at an interest rate of 5% compounded monthly to buy a new home office setup. He plans to repay the loan over 5 years with monthly installments of 450 ringgit. Farid already paid 2,000 ringgit as a down payment. Determine the total cost of his home office setup. So we are going to use the present value formula, which is A equals to 450 in a bracket 1 minus in a bracket 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12, power negative 60 divided by 0.05 divide 12, close bracket, and the answer is 23,845 ringgit and 82 cents. For the total cost is we include the down payment of 2,000, which is the total cost is to 25,845 ringgit and 82 cents.
Part B, question number 2. Hafiz purchased a townhouse priced at 350,000. He made a 20% down payment and financed the remaining balance through a housing loan from a bank charging 4% interest compounded monthly. The loan is to be repaid through equal monthly installments over a period of 25 years. Question of A. Find the monthly payment amount of loan. We must find the amount of loan first. 0.8 times 350,000, we will get 280,000. And then we must find the value of I, which is interest of period time. And 0.04 divided by 12, and then the value of N, 12 times 35, we will get 300. And at the bottom, this is the present value formula. We put the 280,000 equal R, open the bracket 1 minus, open the bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12, close the bracket, and we put the power of minus 300 divided by 0.04 divided by 12 and close the bracket. And we switch up the amount of 280,000 with the R, and then 280,000 will times with 0.04 divided by 12 and divided by 1 minus, open the bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 and close the bracket, when we put the power of negative 300 minus 300, and the final answer is 1,477.94. Question of B. If Hafiz fails to pay the first 3 monthly payments, how much should he pays on the 4th payments to settle all the outstanding arrears? This is the future value formula. We put the number 4 at the right bottom side of S, which is the 4th payment, equal with 1,477.94. Open the bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12, close the bracket, we put the power of 4 minus by 1 divided by 0.04 divided by 12 and close the bracket, we will get the final answer is 5,941.38. Question of C. Calculate the outstanding balance if Hafiz decided to settle the loan in a single payment immediately after paying for 10 years. We must find the balance of payment first. We put the 300 minus by 12 times 10. We will get 180. This is the present value formula. We put the 180 at the right bottom side of A, which is the amount of balance of payment, equal 1,477.94. Open the bracket 1 minus, open the bracket 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12, close the bracket, and put the power of minus 180 divided by 0.04 divided by 12 and close the bracket. We will get the final answer is 199,805.88. That's it.